this afternoon?
As I was driving to work, it started coming down a little more.
Like a downpour for me. And I started out straight, my hair went instantly curly. The good news is the high pressure is filtering in, so that means drier air, less frizz.
At least you have
Hair lovers unite.
You've got some. Let's focus on the positive side. Right now, our high-definition radar showing that line of showers and thunderstorms pushing its way towards the south. A few embedded thunderstorms, though, as well. All of these staying well below severe limits. I am going to, however, leave threat tracker elevated, as you will go ahead and need the umbrella for any outdoor evening plans this evening here in Omaha. There's a little bit more light rain out towards our north and west. This will slowly push its way closer towards our area as we head through the next several hours. All in all, though, the rain will be spotty. Outside right now, we're seeing partly cloudy, mostly cloudy skies, 64 degrees. The humidity continues to be extremely high. As I said, high pressure is filtering in, and that will allow for drier air to filter in here as well. 64 right now in Florence, 67 presently in Papillion, 68 in Springfield, as well as in Gretna, 62 presently in Bennington. Well, as I widen out the view, what we're looking at is a cold front. It started well up towards our north earlier this morning, and as it pushes its way towards the south, it's encountering a lot of warm, moist air. Back behind it, chilly temperatures. That's exact the setup. And there's that front. It continues to push its way farther towards the south. This is what we're going to experience over the weekend, although it's not going to be bitterly cold, which is good news. However, it will be noticeably cooler. First warning future track shows the rain developing and pushing its way towards the south. Here in Omaha, it's developed it a little bit farther towards the north. I'm not expecting for us to see any drenching rainfall. In fact, the majority of it will be pushing out of the area after 10 p.m. tonight. If you live farther towards the south, perhaps Nebraska City, Shenandoah, Pawnee City, Beatrice, you guys will have a better chance of seeing measurable rainfall after 10 p.m. For this evening, expect partly cloudy, mostly cloudy skies, scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms with temperatures hovering in the upper 50s. I'm not expecting any severe weather. Overnight tonight, the winds will become a little blustery from the north, 5 to 15 miles an hour, decreasing clouds, 47 for the overnight low. For Friday, absolutely beautiful, partly cloudy skies, 64 degrees, breezy northwest winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour. If you're heading to Lincoln for the spring game on Saturday, 65 degrees, plenty of sunshine. You may want to go ahead and put on the sunscreen outside, as the UV index will be high, although temperatures a little cooler. Afternoon highs Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday close to 70, and then another chance of scattered rain showers Wednesday and Thursday.
So the worst is over for us, hopefully.
Yeah, very light rain showers, more of annoyance than anything.
I hate that, you know, the every once in a while rain.
Well, the grass is getting greener, and we've had numerous days of sun, so maybe we could use a bit of rain.
A little bit of help for the lawns.
It will be fantastic, though, to open up the windows tonight. Let all that cooler air in.
Oh, good idea. Today in our area, because it seems like the rain's leaving.
Yeah, the rain is well on its way out. We've had a cold front that came through the area, and that gave us here in Omaha just a little over a tenth of an inch of rain.
Tonight.
It's definitely cooler, and good news is drier air will filter in, so it'll be a nice night to open up the windows. It won't feel too muggy inside of the house.
That's always good.
Right now it's feeling a little sticky out there because the high pressure hasn't quite settled in, but there's the cold front right off towards our south. Notice the line of showers and thunderstorms continues to build right along Interstate 80. The good news is none of this is severe limits, so just very heavy soaking rainfall. If you live in Fall City, expect to hear a few rumbles of thunder, but as I said, not expecting any severe weather. And if you're perhaps heading down to Lincoln for the spring game on Saturday, plenty of sunshine, 65 degrees. Gorgeous temperatures settle in here by Sunday and Monday with plenty of sunshine. Afternoon highs a little cooler on Tuesday as we'll build the cloud cover back in and grab the umbrella. Wednesday and Thursday, scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Looks like September football weather almost, right?
Finally, I'm getting excited for the spring game. You know, if you're heading down to the game, you might also want to grab the SPF 15 because the UV index may be on the high side.
Good hint.
And your first morning forecast continues to show rain decreasing and pushing its way. If you want to get outside, perhaps take the dogs for a walk.
I'm noticing more dandelions out there, but that's a sign of spring that can be combated.
Yeah, you know, it's time to get that fertilizer out there and mix in with a little bit of dandelion. I don't know what else that additive is. There you go. That's what you want to get out there. For those who like dandelions, sorry. Sorry to discriminate.
There are other flowers.
Other flowers are beautiful too. Unless you guys see this video.
Again, the names of the deceased are 44-year-old Sandra Brown and 36-year-old Robert Borland. And deputies tell us that there are no noticeable wounds to either of the bodies.
Now, Liz Dorland joins us now. You're actually one of those people who call 911 after finding the body of your own neighbor.
Yeah, Sandra sublets the apartment across the way from me, and I noticed the family that actually rents the apartment. The son was standing out in the hallway for several minutes, and being so cold outside, I asked him what he was doing. He told me that his father was inside. They believed that there was a body in there. Because I know CPR, I knocked on the door to offer trying help and figure out what was going on. And when I went into the apartment, it was very disheveled. There was a TV that was in the bathtub, and I did find the 2 bodies of the victims in the bedroom, and they were both dead. Laying on the floor. They were laying beside the bed. It looked like they had been on the bed and then fell off, and they were not clothed. And I did see the male and the female. I also spoke with the family members, who are obviously very shook up. She does leave behind a son, 23 years old, and an 8-year-old son as well.
That'd be hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
What a coincidence.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Liz.
Thanks, Liz.